Pomegranates are stunning. Their deep red hue is like a ruby. The interior holds hundreds of juicy seeds. These seeds, called arils, glisten like tiny gems. They practically beg you to taste them. And the taste? It's a burst of sweet and tart, a refreshing flavor explosion. But pomegranates are more than just a pretty face. They have a rich history and incredible health benefits. For centuries, they've been treasured for their medicinal properties. Today, science backs up what ancient cultures have known all along. This fruit is a true gift for our health. Let's delve into the fascinating world of pomegranates and discover their hidden powers. The pomegranate story begins thousands of years ago. Imagine the ancient Persians cultivating this fruit in their lush gardens. These early civilizations recognized its value. They used it for food, medicine, and even religious ceremonies. Travel through time to ancient Egypt, see pomegranates buried with pharaohs. They were seen as a symbol of life after death. The Greeks associated them with fertility and abundance. Their myths and legends often feature this vibrant fruit. The pomegranate's journey continued along the Silk Road. It traveled from Asia to Europe, captivating cultures along the way. Today it graces tables worldwide. It's a testament to the enduring power of this ancient fruit. Let's talk nutrition. Pomegranates are packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants. These nutrients work together to support your overall health. One standout nutrient is vitamin C. Just half a pomegranate provides a significant portion of your daily requirement. Vitamin C is crucial for a strong immune system. It helps protect your cells from damage. But there's more. Pomegranates are also rich in polyphenols. These antioxidants are like superheroes for your cells. They fight off damage caused by free radicals. This helps protect your body from chronic diseases. These are just a few highlights of the pomegranate's impressive nutritional profile. It's a true testament to the power of eating a variety of fruits and vegetables. Your heart works hard for you, so give it the support it deserves. Pomegranates are a heart-healthy choice. Studies show they can benefit your cardiovascular system in several ways. The antioxidants in pomegranates help reduce oxidative stress. This type of stress damages blood vessels and contributes to heart disease. By fighting oxidative stress, pomegranates may help keep your arteries healthy. Additionally, some research suggests that pomegranates can help lower blood pressure. This is great news for maintaining healthy blood flow. They may also help reduce LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is key for a healthy heart. Adding pomegranates to your diet is a delicious way to show your heart some love. Section 5. Digestive Delight, Pomegranates for Gut Health and Beyond. Did you know that a healthy gut is essential for overall well-being? It's true. Pomegranates can support your digestive system with their unique blend of nutrients. The fiber in pomegranates is a real gut hero. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regularity. This can help prevent constipation and keep things moving smoothly. Moreover, pomegranates contain natural compounds that may have prebiotic effects. Prebiotics act as food for the good bacteria in your gut. This helps maintain a healthy balance of gut flora, crucial for optimal digestion. So, next time you're looking for a digestive boost, reach for a pomegranate. Your gut will thank you. Section 6. Radiant skin, strong immunity, the beauty benefits of pomegranates. Ready to glow from within? Pomegranates aren't just good for your insides, they also offer beauty benefits. Their antioxidants and vitamins work wonders for your skin and immune system. The vitamin C in pomegranates is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives your skin its elasticity and firmness. By supporting collagen, pomegranates may help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Furthermore, the antioxidants in pomegranates fight free radical damage that can age your skin. This helps protect your skin from environmental stressors and keeps it looking youthful. And let's not forget about immunity. The vitamin C in pomegranates gives your immune system a powerful boost. This helps your body fight off infections and stay healthy. Section 7. Enjoying the versatility of pomegranates from seeds to smoothies. Now for the fun part, eating pomegranates. These versatile fruits can be enjoyed in countless ways. Let's explore some delicious options. The most common way to eat a pomegranate is to enjoy the arils fresh. Simply cut the fruit open and you'll find hundreds of juicy ruby red seeds. They're a delightful snack on their own. But don't stop there. Pomegranate juice is a refreshing and healthy beverage. You can find it at most grocery stores. Look for 100% pomegranate juice with no added sugar. Pomegranate molasses and syrup are concentrated forms of the fruit's juice. They add a tangy sweetness to sauces, marinades, and desserts. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with these unique ingredients. Section 8. Recipes, delicious ways to incorporate pomegranates into your diet. Ready to get cooking? Let's dive into the world of pomegranates and discover how to make the most of this vibrant, nutrient-packed fruit. Here are 2 simple yet delicious recipes featuring pomegranates that you can easily incorporate into your daily meals. First up, we have pomegranate and spinach salad with feta and walnuts. This salad is not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients. Ingredients: 4 cups of fresh baby spinach, 1 cup of juicy pomegranate arils, half a cup of crumbled feta cheese which adds a creamy texture, a 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, for that perfect crunch, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar to add a tangy flavor, and salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Combine the baby spinach, pomegranate arils, crumbled feta cheese, and chopped walnuts in a large bowl. 2. Whisk together the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, and pepper in a small bowl until well combined. 3. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat all the ingredients evenly. Next, we have a refreshing pomegranate smoothie. This smoothie is perfect for a quick breakfast or a post-workout snack. Ingredients: 1 cup of frozen berries such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, half a cup of pure pomegranate juice, a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt for a creamy texture, and 1 tablespoon of honey if you like it a bit sweeter. Instructions: 1. Combine all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. 2. Add more pomegranate juice or a splash of water to reach your desired consistency. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious pomegranate smoothie. Section 9. Storing pomegranates, tips for freshness and longevity. Want to keep your pomegranates fresh and juicy? Here are a few storage tips. First, for short-term storage, up to a week, keep pomegranates at room temperature in a cool, dry place. For longer storage, up to 2 months, store pomegranates in the refrigerator. Place them in a plastic bag with a few holes for ventilation. And finally, you can freeze pomegranate arils for up to a year. Spread them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, freeze until solid, then transfer to a freezer-safe bag. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the deliciousness of pomegranates for weeks or even months to come. Section 10. Pomegranate precautions, potential side effects and interactions. While generally safe for consumption, pomegranates may cause side effects in some individuals or interact with certain medications. Possible side effects: allergic reactions. Though rare, some people may be allergic to pomegranates. This can be particularly concerning for those with a history of food allergies. Symptoms can include itching, hives, swelling, and difficulty breathing. These symptoms can escalate quickly and become severe. Seek immediate medical attention if you experience these symptoms after consuming pomegranates. It's crucial to act fast to prevent complications. Digestive issues. Consuming large amounts of pomegranate, especially the juice, may cause digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea. This is more likely if you have a sensitive stomach. Blood pressure medications. Pomegranates may lower blood pressure. This can be beneficial for some, but problematic for others. If you're taking blood pressure medication, consult your doctor before consuming large amounts of pomegranate. This is to ensure there are no adverse effects. Liver enzymes. Pomegranate may interfere with the way your liver processes certain medications. This can affect the efficacy of your treatment. Talk to your doctor if you have any concerns. Remember, moderation is key. Always keep your healthcare provider informed. Enjoy pomegranates as part of a balanced diet, and consult your doctor if you have any concerns. They can provide personalized advice based on your health needs. Section 11. Embrace the power of the pomegranate, a fruit for a healthier you. The pomegranate, a jewel of a fruit with a history as rich as its flavor. This fruit has been cherished for centuries across various cultures for its unique taste and numerous health benefits. From its stunning appearance to its impressive nutritional profile, this ancient fruit deserves a place in your diet. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, pomegranates can boost your overall health. We've explored the science-backed benefits of pomegranates, from their heart-healthy properties, which can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, to their digestive and beauty advantages. Pomegranates can aid in digestion and improve skin health, making them a versatile addition to your wellness routine. We've also discussed delicious ways to enjoy this versatile fruit, such as adding the seeds to salads, smoothies, and yogurt, and provided tips for storage. Proper storage ensures that you can enjoy the freshness and nutritional benefits of pomegranates for longer periods. As with any food, moderation is crucial. Consuming pomegranates in appropriate amounts can help you reap their benefits without any adverse effects. Be mindful of potential side effects and interactions, especially if you are taking medications or have underlying health conditions. If you have any concerns, don't hesitate to consult your healthcare provider. They can offer personalized advice based on your health needs. Embrace the power of the pomegranate. This fruit can be a delightful and nutritious addition to your daily diet. Add this nutritional powerhouse to your plate and explore the myriad ways it can enhance your meals, and experience the delicious and healthy benefits it offers. From breakfast to dessert, pomegranates can elevate any dish. Your body will thank you. Enjoy the vibrant taste and health benefits of pomegranates every day.